Have you noticed a decline in your car's engine performance lately? Sluggish acceleration, reduced power when going uphill, or a sudden increase in fuel consumption could indicate a deeper issue. One vital component responsible for optimal engine performance is the engine control module, ECM. When the ECM malfunctions, the impacts can be varied and significant. In this video, we will thoroughly examine 10 key symptoms that you should be aware of as potential indicators of ECM failure. Recognizing these symptoms early can help you avoid more serious problems and higher repair costs. If you've experienced one or more of the symptoms we're about to discuss, please give this video a like to show your understanding of this information. Subscribe so you don't miss other informative automotive content, and share your experiences in the comments section below. Let's identify together the 10 symptoms of ECM failure that you need to pay close attention to. Number 1. Check engine light is on. This phenomenon is a universal signal from your vehicle's onboard diagnostic (OBD) system. When the ECM detects a malfunction, whether in itself or in other monitored sensors or systems, it will activate this light. It's important to note that this light can illuminate for various reasons, but its presence always indicates the need for further inspection. Number 2. Hard start or no start. The engine starting process heavily relies on precise commands from the ECM to various components, such as the fuel pump, ignition system, and injectors. If the ECM experiences a disruption, it may fail to send the necessary signals, resulting in the engine being difficult to start or even failing to respond at all when the key is turned. This condition is certainly very disruptive to driving routines. Number 3. Engine stalling. This situation can pose a safety risk. The ECM is responsible for keeping the engine operating optimally by continuously adjusting parameters such as ignition timing and fuel mixture. Sporadic malfunctions in the ECM can cause a sudden loss of power, making the engine shut off without warning while the vehicle is in motion. Number 4. Poor engine performance. In routine operation, you may notice that the vehicle is no longer as responsive as usual. A problematic ECM can lead to inaccurate calculations regarding fuel supply and ignition timing, which ultimately reduces engine power, slows down acceleration, and makes the gas pedal response feel less optimal, especially when facing challenging road conditions, such as inclines or heavy traffic. Number 5. Poor fuel economy. Combustion efficiency is greatly influenced by the ECM's ability to regulate the ideal air-fuel ratio. If the ECM is not functioning properly, it may command an excessive fuel supply, which directly impacts the increased frequency of refueling and the operational cost of the vehicle in regular use. Number 6. Rough or delayed shifting. In vehicles with automatic transmissions, the ECM plays a crucial role in communicating throttle position and engine load data to the Transmission Control Module, TCM. This information is critical for smooth and timely gear changes. If this communication is disrupted due to problems with the ECM, the driver will experience jerky gear changes or abnormal delays during everyday driving. Number 7. Rough idling or misfiring. When the vehicle is stopped but the engine is still running idle, the ECM is tasked with maintaining a stable engine speed. If the ECM fails to do this due to internal issues or inaccurate sensor data, the engine may feel abnormally shaky, produce irregular sounds, misfiring, and even feel like it is about to die, which certainly disrupts driving comfort. Number 8. Loss of acceleration. When the driver presses the gas pedal to increase speed, the ECM must respond quickly and accurately by adjusting fuel supply and ignition timing. If the ECM is experiencing problems, this response may be slow or even absent, making the vehicle feel underpowered during acceleration, especially in situations requiring a quick response such as overtaking other vehicles during regular travel. Number 9. Diagnostic trouble codes found. During scan, even if the driver has not experienced significant performance symptoms, an illuminated check engine light will prompt an onboard diagnostic system scan. This scan can reveal trouble codes that specifically point to ECM problems or sensors whose data is processed by the ECM. These codes become important clues for technicians in diagnosing the issue. Number 10. Fluctuating RPMs at idle. The engine speed indicator, RPM, on the dashboard should show a relatively stable number when the vehicle is idling. If the RPM needle moves up and down irregularly without any input from the gas pedal, this could be an indication that the ECM is struggling to maintain a stable engine speed due to incorrect sensor data or internal problems with the control unit itself, which can affect comfort when stopped in traffic or at traffic lights. So, there you have it. 10 key symptoms that could signal a failing engine control module in your vehicle. If any of these sound familiar, it's crucial to get your car checked by a qualified mechanic as soon as possible. Early diagnosis can save you significant time and expense down the road. We hope this information has been valuable in understanding this vital component and its potential failure points. If you found this helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more essential automotive insights, and share it with anyone who might benefit. Thanks for watching.